Imagine you've discovered a hidden treasure, a place where time flows slower and beauty is untouched. A place where the sea breeze whispers ancient legends and the sun kisses golden beaches. This is Ahtopol, a town with a silence that charms you and an atmosphere that captivates you, making you fall in love with it. Prepare to discover Ahtopol, a town where tranquility is a way of life and beauty is all around you. Stay until the end of the video to learn its history and why it is called the Town of Love. In this series of videos, we invite you to join us and explore interesting and diverse places, from ancient ruins, wild beaches, and untouched landscapes to modern cities. We will immerse ourselves in their atmosphere and tell their story. Each place has secrets waiting to be revealed. Get ready for breathtaking views and interesting facts. Embark on this adventure. Travel with me. Welcome to Ahtopol. The southernmost town on the Bulgarian Black Sea coast is a true natural and historical phenomenon. Nestled at the foot of the Thracian mountains, it combines a unique blend of sea and mountain landscapes, rich history, and cultural heritage. Ahtopol's coastline is sculpted by time, forming unique rock formations and caves. Some of them are inaccessible by land and hold secrets from the past. The central beach is known for its spaciousness and soft golden sand. The nearly 2-kilometer-long beach offers ample space for everyone, from families with children seeking shallow waters to play in, to sunbathing and water sports enthusiasts. For active holiday lovers, the central beach offers a variety of water sports and entertainment. You can rent pedal boats, jet skis, or join a beach volleyball game. Nestled in a small bay surrounded by cliffs lies Dolphin Beach. The combination of crystal clear water, fine golden sand, and rocky shores creates a unique and picturesque setting. The beach is known for its free and casual atmosphere, which attracts people seeking tranquility and a connection with nature. It is a popular spot for nudists, but is also visited by families and people who appreciate the peace and beauty of nature. Ahtopol and its surroundings offer a rich palette of beaches that cater to various preferences and needs. Whether you seek tranquility and seclusion, or prefer lively beach strips with amenities, you will find your ideal vacation spot in this area. Walking along the coastal street of Ahtopol is an ideal experience for the evening. The rays of the setting sun paint the sky in fiery hues, and the waves gently crash against the majestic rocks, offering unforgettable views. Strolling along it, you will discover countless small restaurants from which an appetizing aroma of fresh seafood wafts, inviting you to taste the local specialties. The cool sea breeze and the smell of salt will open your senses, and you will feel as if you are at the end of the world, cut off from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The coastal street of Ahtopol leads to the old Greek school, which rises majestically on a small peninsula in the sea. It is a significant cultural monument and one of the symbols of the town, a witness to its rich history. At its foot are stairs that lead to a small and secluded beach, a favorite spot used by people until late in the evening for a romantic enjoyment of the sunset. Against the backdrop of the impressive seascape rises the Church of the Ascension, also one of the emblematic sites. Ahtopol is a town that combines tranquility, romance, and unique Bulgarian charm, which will make you want to return again to rediscover its magic. Rising proudly above the rocky shore, the lighthouse of Ahtopol is more than just a navigational beacon. It is a silent witness to centuries of maritime history, a symbol of hope, and a landmark for countless sailors seeking safe haven. With its slender white form, the lighthouse stands out against the blue sea and the greenery of the Strandzha Mountains, creating a picturesque view that attracts photographers and travelers alike. It is a favorite and romantic place for families and couples to stroll. At the foot of the lighthouse stretches the harbor of Ahtopol, the pulsating heart of the town. Since ancient times, when the settlement was known as Agathopolis, the harbor has been an important trading center, connecting different cultures and peoples. Today, the harbor of Ahtopol has retained its charm and significance. Here, you can see colorful fishing boats bringing in fresh catches, as well as many people strolling, taking pictures, or simply sitting on benches and enjoying the view. One of the most popular legends tells that the town was founded by Delphin, son of the god Poseidon, and Agatha, daughter of the god Zeus. The two fell deeply in love, but Zeus was against this union and ordered Agatha to be crippled. The owl Agao, Agatha's beloved bird, warned the lovers of the danger, and they managed to escape. Delphin defeated the executioner sent by Zeus and founded a town the Black Sea coast, which he named Agathopolis, Town of Love, in honor of his beloved. The owl Agao became the most revered bird in the city and is still considered a symbol of happiness in Ahtopol today. Thank you for traveling with us to Ahtopol. If this video has inspired you to visit this charming place, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next exciting destinations. See you soon.